You get baby on that. First wait.
Sorry? You go to the Arinda. Hey bro. Yes, welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
You're very
You guys
smart.
good?
You're looking smart, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Who has dressed you up? Let's start from there.
I'm dressed by Nkandaya from Zambia. From Zambia.
Simple. Designer from Zambia.
From Zambia, it's called Nkandaya. They recently actually my motherland, and happy to be here in Uganda.
How is Uganda so far?
So far, so good. I love it. Really excited about tonight's awards. And yeah, can't wait to perform for you guys and give you a great treat.
This is not your first time in Uganda. This is like your third, fourth?
Man, I don't even know how many times. 6 or 7.
And maybe something like that.
Yeah.
Any difference from the last time when you're here?
I only just don't have a house yet. I need to get a house in Uganda.
Even a wife.
Even a wife, right?
Yeah, man.
I mean, can you guys give me a wife?
We should. So let's talk about your names in Uganda. So many people when they come here they're given names. Have you been given any names so far?
No, not yet. I think I'm hanging out with the wrong people. Can you guys at least give me a good name? I don't want a name that means something bad, but yeah.
Salongo.
Salongo.
Yes.
What does that mean?
You have twins. You have twins.
Wow.
Would you like to have twins?
I don't even have a wife here yet. Why do you want me to have? How am I going to have those twins?
So let's talk about the Ugandan Jews, the women here. Since this is your 6th time, tell us about the kind of a woman you'd want from Uganda.
Oh, a crazy woman. Because I know you guys love to party, so yeah, anybody that loves to party and have a good time, yeah, man, let's link up and see what happens.
Have you tested the Ugandan water?
Hey, what's your problem?
So fresh and clean.
Which water is this? Is this
You
the
know,
Amarula water or what?
you're a man.
Is this the Amarula water?
Yes, that
No,
one.
I've got my own water, but we're gonna try something maybe. You never know.
So let's talk about collaboration. So many people, like international artists, when they come down to Uganda, so many artists come through to ask for collaborations. This is like your 6th, 7th time. Do we have more collaborations coming through apart from those that you've done in the past?
I can tell you that yesterday I was recording a song with one of your biggest artists. I'll not mention the name yet.
Eddy
but,
Kenzo. Eddy Kenzo.
Hey man, come on. Yeah, but we recorded a song yesterday. It's gonna be a banger. We're shooting it on Sunday. And yeah, it's gonna be a big song.
Okay, is that the only one you've done so far?
So far, yeah, but I'm also recording another song tomorrow.
Another song with another artist?
With another artist.
So there is an allegation about you international artists being paid for those collaborations. We want you to clarify about that.
Nah, man. For me, the artists that I work with, it's just love and unity, because we want to let Africa know that East Africa and Southern Africa are one. It's all about pushing good music out there. So I haven't paid anybody. Nobody has paid me. This is just love and good music and good feels.
Let's talk about...
Before. Okay. What takes you to do a collab with someone?
Qualifications. What do you consider?
What do I consider? Good music. Just like good vibes. You know, if you meet and we have good vibes, no problem. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, because artists here say when they do collaborations with international artists, you leave it to them to promote the song down here. But if back in your countries, those songs are not promoted by you artists, by you the features.
As anybody that I've worked with, we always get to promote our fellow artists, because that's how our fans will know about them. Right now, Vinka is a well-known artist in Zambia. Bini Gant is a well-known artist. Helen is a well-known artist, because we've done songs together. They always get to do a lot of interviews back home on radio and TV, because it's up to me to help them grow in that country. So yeah, if you work with Roberto, you're guaranteed people will know about you in Zambia and everywhere else where our music is playing.
We have seen you with Babi J. You have a project.
No.
Do you know him?
Who's that?
Babi J.
Babi J.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that some other time.
Okay, another one before we let you go. Let's talk about another one before another one before we let you go. Let's talk about different parts in Uganda. Let's do with tourism and stuff. Have you visited different parts in Uganda, like the source of the River Nile and the likes?
Not really, but I know for a fact that the great mayor of the city of Hoima told me to say I've got land here that he wants to give me.
Hey.
So I'm challenging the mayor. I'm here. I want to see my land. You promised me that land. You know what I mean? So I want to build there and let's see what we can do.
Eddy Kenzo was nominated in Grammys, first time in East Africa. Any message to him, because he's our superstar here, and I know you know him, you've worked with him so far. So yeah, any message to Eddy Kenzo?
Eddie is a great guy, awesome brother. I think he's pushing music from Uganda big time, so let's support him. That Grammy nomination is just not for Eddie alone, it's for all of you guys because he represents Uganda, and yeah, wish him all the best.
Okay, thank you so much. Your last word to the fans.
Thank you so much. Last word to the fans, please keep supporting Roberto. Always make sure that you keep it real. One love.
Birthday yansanga ndi busy nnyo nina kyenfumba wenna akimaliriza ngenda kubayita kibanjulire neera kigenda kuyamba eggwanga lyonna. Nze mbeera busy. Mwebale nnyo mwebale.
Black dress, silver glitter.
Twali tumaye mugenda kujja n'ebibubbu tulaba muli babiri mwekka. Mukyemalira tetutegedde awo.
Bibubu biri waggulu tubirese eri waggulu.
Nyo wayi ababipikira bo bakole batya nga bibubbu bigize. Byansawo batugambye obulungi kye bubakola muzirika we mudde engulu. Wanji maama kiddemu
tekiba kikulu like si kikulu nnyo bulungi kuluma ng'oli mwavu obulungi bukulume ng'olina sente leka sente zikulume at least.
Ati gwe ki ekikuluma ku byonna?
Nze sente zenkyanoya naye zijja kunnuma mu myezi ng'ebiri. Olaba zikulese wano olazindeeze sente zimuluma zijjako.
Kale ebigambo byammwe ebisembayo.
Sembayo abavubuka nga ffe twala obudde kyakala bw'ofumbirwa ebimu oba tojja tugenda kubikola oba olowooza mwana olowooza dedi manyi dadi fabateeno. This is your time. If you don't do it today, then you'll never do it.
Tubajje
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino 07 2 1 4 1 oba 0755 3 731 oba 0777 23 4 King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.